Hey, 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 what's up? Welcome to the morning shift with Ann. What's up? What's up, my friends? What's up? How are you doing? Like you can say anything to me. I'm going to do another one of those crazy, goofy affirmation videos today because I just don't care. And these are kind of more fun than the other stuff, the serious stuff. I was trying to make this other one, and I did it like 40 times, and it kept, every time I would do it, someone would walk in. That was it today. I was like, oh crap, my son shows up. I'm sitting here with like no pants on and making the video. And I'm like, shoot. I didn't say that. I said a swear word. And then he started laughing. So anyways, I'm just going to go with a little bit more fun stuff instead of the serious stuff because maybe I got to study that a little more before I share it with you. I'm going to share a couple of affirmations, and here it is. They're about change. When things start to change, maybe you're like resistant. You're like, no, stop. This is what you got to tell yourself. When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Whoa. But really, you can change one thing. It's yourself. If everything else is like, standing still and you keep trying to change it, just change yourself. I like that. And here's one about the fear of change, which I think we all have a fear of it. We hang on tight to the things that we are familiar with so we don't have to go through that field of unknown. But really, that's a great place. That's where all the opportunity lies. That's where all the good stuff is, in the unknown. Who'd have thunk? Never be afraid of change. You may lose something good, but you may gain something even better. See, you think you're losing something. You might lose something good, something that was working for you for a long time, but there's something better out there. There's something better. So let go and let it happen. Here's another one. Apparently this little book is about change. This is one of my sister's little pocket positive books. When you change the way you look at things, what you look at changes. That's magical. When you change the way you look at things, what you look at changes. So if you change your perspective on something, you change it. It changes. I could look at that and go, it's just a little fat guy. It's just a little fat guy. Or it could be a guy who's actually very, very happy, and that makes me happy. It's Buddha. He was a wise guy. He was wise because he knew you just had to be. Pretty good stuff. Let's see. Be the change you wish to see in the world. We all know that one. Be the change you wish to see. Is that backwards? Looks backwards to me. Be the change you wish to see in the world. You know who said that? Do you know? Let's see. Let's see your what if you know the trivia of who says famous quotes like that. Be the change you wish to see in the world. It was Ghandi. Okay, let's see if there's any more change ones. I give up freely what is no longer serving me. I release it to create space for what inspires me. That's a good one. When you're thinking, oh, I can't change, I got to hang on to this, you got to figure it's time to free up space because it's no longer serving you, and create that space for what inspires you. If you spend your day worrying about other junk, worrying about stuff that happened yesterday, worrying about what so-and-so said about you, what so-and-so said to you, oh, it's so mean, gosh, what's her problem? And then you go over and over it and you relive it 100 times. There's no room for creativity, folks. There's no room to move on and have a blessed future. So let it go. Let go of the things that aren't serving you. And even if it's true, even if it's like, well, that was mean and that sucked, but why relive it over and over again? Just let it go. Okay, yeah, that's truth. Let's make room for something better. What's useful? I think I've done a video on that. What's useful? So make room for the goodness, right? Go ahead and change. Make room for what is good, for the good stuff coming to you. Whoop, whoop. What do you think about that? What are your feelings about change? I'd love to hear. why don't you make a comment in my comments? Why don't you, if this is on Facebook, let's start a dialogue about change. What is some of your favorite quotes about change that encourage you? Or why do you feel like change is so hard? Let's talk about it. Okay? And I hope I'll see you next time on the Morning Shift with Ann. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.